Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to start working with our game rules. So with that said, let's code this. Alright, so before we start, let me show you two bugs that I fixed. First of all, I had our ball position and I'm comparing distinct choose values. So I'm giving a range because before I had below equals 15 or F. But if the ball is going, let's say our ball goes between velocity 1 and 2, and if, let's say we're position E is in velocity 2, so the next position is going to be position 10 hex, so we skip F. So that sometimes our score I noticed wasn't increasing, so I fixed that. And there's a quick just comparison between two values. That was easy. And another easy fix that I have, let me come here to the throw. Where's the throw ball? Right here. I had a bug. If you jump, caught the ball, and threw the ball again, you redo the jump animation. So I set it to 0. We fix everything. So those two bugs are fixed. So let's just jump to the main part of the code, which is we're gonna work with our game rules. And then all I want to do, where I have some of the gameplay mechanics, you can already, because you can run. You can jump over here, you can catch the ball, you can throw it. So all of this is going, it's already happening. This is part of the gameplay. So let's tie it up as much as we can with this video. There's still going to be more for the next videos, but more tying up, more game rule set. But for now, let's just put the main part that I want. And the first thing I want to do is just set up this players in the middle of the screen, because I mean, I've been running. Oh, that's not going to work. Here it is. Because I'm running all the way over here, so I'm doing right now is above here. Let's just set this up. So let's start let's come over here, set position X for players to the middle of their court. So now let me come over here and let me come over here. Where's X is 82. Oh, I clicked over here. X is 82. 82, so that's F. If I clicked over here, you can see the decimal value. That's thanks to the user Joaquim Ferreiro that showed me this trick that I was unaware of. So thanks for him for this tip. And so we are at position 15. So let's just, and if I run over here, which is the max position, I have 46. So we have 70 value minus 15. So let's do that. 70 minus 15. So that's 55. If I divide it by 2, it's 27.5. We're going to write it down. But if I put the value 27.5, it's not going to be the actual value. And let me just show you guys why. So let's load 27, store that to please 0x. And now I'll have to do press up, because in here is the value 27. And that is because I'm going to draw tool, or let's say, because this is the entire, almost half the screen's over here, so half should be somewhere over here. So that's where it has. But we want to offset that. To offset that, we're going to start our screen over here. So you're going to add another 15, so they'll be right on the middle, around here. So just quick illustration. Let me clear that. Minimize this. So if you add 7, 15, we got 42. Rounding it down. 42. Just to show you guys, right here in the middle. Perfect. So you're going to do the same thing for player 1. So it should be 84. 84, I'm right. So you're 80. And here we are 137. So let's do that. 137 minus 80. 57 divided by 2 plus 80. So 108. 108. And we're going to do is store the value to players 1x. And here we're going to set players to middle middle of the screen. So let's come over here, doesn't matter. So here it's 83, it's 9. And here we have a position 45, so 45 minus 9. 45 minus 9 divided by 2. We are at 18. Plus 9, 27. So let's do load 27 and start those two. Player 0y and player 1y. So let me save this. Run it. Here it is, right in the middle. Perfect. Now I have this players where I want it. So let me close this, all of this, what I have here. So I got everything set over here, which is perfect. And let me come down here and let's focus on the main part of the code. Over here, another part of our game rules, and that is when the timer is over, we want to set whoever the winner of a set is. So the game has 3 sets, well, at least what the main idea is. And it's best out of 2, best out of 1, and best out of 2. Well, we're gonna implement that whichever way we like. But for now, I want to focus at the end of the. So here's a 90, let's say 10. So let me run this. So you see the timer decrementing, and as soon as it comes over here, 0, the game is, whoever has the most points at the time wins this set. And I'm gonna have multiple sets, but to focus on, put 60 back over here. And so let's do our thing. So let's make sure when the timers reach 0. And let me assemble this quick just to show. Remember this, we only want the higher bit nibble over here, 4 to 7, not the whole thing. So we're gonna mask the rest of the values. So we don't care about this first 4, I wanna care about this branch y equals 0, and let's call it time over, timer over, or out of time, something like that. Timer over, that's fine. Let's create the label over here, and let's also create a timer exit over here instead of just jumping to the over skin. So here you go. So we got that part down, and if the timer is not over, it's not a 0 over here. Oops, come to timer exit. So the timer is still ticking down. So we got that part down. So let's come down up here somewhere. So I have over here, let's create some more variables. First of all, we're gonna have to have who won the set. So player set. So we need to have our variables, or define some space for your player's set. So let's play 0, 1 set. So whoever won, we don't need to keep whoever lost. 1 set players. Hold player set wins. You just need one byte. So that's A7. Oh, that's an E. So AE. Oh, not A. So now we believe it B already. E. Yes, we are. And we also need a game current set. So let's say this game set. So we could call it current set. But that's fine. So we got that part down. So let's go back all the way down to our code over here. Oh, even more down. And you notice I put some timers over here, clock time for our main code over here, but I'm gonna go through that later. Keep scrolling. Oh, here it is. Time over. Let me check for the end of, not check for the end of the time. Yeah, I guess we could checking, or if the end of clock. All right, so here's the time over. So when the time over, just increment game set. So now we're at a new set. And then we're gonna load the points. So 0 to check whoever has the most points. So player points. And let's compare that to player 1 points, just to make sure if both players have the same amount of points. So branch equals 0. So well, 0 and 1. Let's see. So it's a tie game. So put tie game or tie set. Yeah, it's tie set. So we're gonna create the label tie set. Do that. So if it's tie set, all we're doing is incrementing player 0 set 1. What do you set at? What do we have at 1 set? 1 set. I'm gonna do the same thing for player 1 set. Excuse me. And I'm gonna do the same here over here for I'm gonna do a let's just say increment player 1, I guess. Player 1 set 1 set. And you're already doing the comparisons right over here, so so if it's less than, so player 0, what are we gonna call it? 1D set. That's gonna be a label, of course. So player 0, 1D set. And all we're doing is incrementing player 0, 1 set. 1 set. There it is. And what I want to do, I'm going to jump to timer exit. Here I'm going to jump to timer exit 2. So I don't want to go through the rest of this code. But the only thing that I'm missing here is a reset everything over here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come all the way up here. What we have over here is our subroutine, so I'm going to create some of that. And actually, let me come all the way down here and just make sure. So I'm going to jump to subroutine. Game reset? What do I want to call it this? Jump to, let's say, me a bit more specific. Let me call it say current playing game reset, because reset current playing game reset, because there is already game reset, and this is when I push the button, so they want to get confused. So playing time, so new game set. Yeah, how about new game set? No. Game. Playing. Let's see. New game. Game set reset. Something like that. Yeah, I guess this is fine. And yeah, let's go with that. I mean, it's a pet peeve of mine, having something to actually some good name conventions over here. So let's go with that. So let me save that. Where's all of my here subroutines right over here. Let's go do new game reset. So what we want to do is pretty much just copy this part and this part over here. think that, and return from subroutine. Would that work? I guess this is pretty much it, because 5 row, let's see. It's gonna take a while. Let me come over here, down here. Let's decrement this comparison over here. Let's do 5. So let me go. So let me move my player over here. So, oh, and of course, okay. So there's no arrow. Let's do the same thing for everything over here. So other side, or player 0-1. So let's do this. So don't forget about this. So let's run. So let me. It's a tie game. Let me move around over here. Oh, that was fast. So my X position is getting reset. What happened to my my Y position? Did not copy everything. Come over here. Oops. Yeah, because I don't have my Y. That's probably a good reason. X and Y. This for now. So let me save this. Give it a good comment over here. New game set after time is over. So let me try this now. Oh, okay, so my game reset, and the timer is resetting. So we got that part down. So let me come down here, and let's check set 1. Who won the set? So I'm looking at position 0. So we have here. So AE is the last one. AE, and that is a frame timer. Okay, and here we have player 0 has 0 win sets, which makes sense. Player 1 has, as you see, has a score of 1, so he has 5. All right, and all we have to do is increment our game set over here. So okay, so let's come down here. Increment game set, and that is position, should be B1. Okay, let's check this out. B, jump this. Okay, so, oh, here it is. Oh, actually, am I off? Oh, it's a tie game. Okay, so player 1 is winning. Okay, so there it is, highlighting. So A, B0, AF, game set, unless I'm off by something over here. So let me check. So we have here 0. So we have 0 to AD. Let me check everything zeroed out over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got that part down. I have our timer, which is AD. Yeah, I think I'm just off by 1. So I have to go over here and check. But I'm thinking everything's working over here. So this is the score, and this is the game set. So I'm off by 1 on my comments over here. So I'm gonna fix that part up. And let me check how long is this video already. Oh, it's already 20 minutes. So I'm pretty much gonna close this and finish this. And I'm gonna in the next video, I'm probably gonna add a randomizer over here. It's gonna be pretty easy. Here's my random value over here, because it's important to have that in your game. So that's gonna be next video. And as well, I wanna add all this information that I have over here right in the middle. So let me open my draw tool, a quick draw. So here I wanna, let's list the plane for now. Have the current set over here. So right on the middle. Here's our timer, and I want somewhere probably up here. So increase this black, push this part down over here, and on the top have like which set is 1 or not. So that's why I didn't want to have the digital timer over here, because I want to put the current set here, and then cap this off. So something like this. So that'll be our main scoreboard. So that's something I want to do, and I also want to add the. I'm gonna add our randomizer over here, so some part of the values. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Let me clear this up, just drawing stuff in. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna fix this comment section. I'm pretty sure. Otherwise, I have to. Next video, I'll go over if I miss anything. And with all of that said, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. See you guys.